What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I'm going to cover three ways that you can create passive income online. Now, I want to cover these 3 ways because there are plenty of ways you can actually do this, but these are my top 3 pretty much. These are 3 things that I actually do inside of my business as well. And then also what I want you guys to understand too is that with these passive income streams I'm going to share with you, or even anything else that you see online that's going to tell you or show you how to create passive income online, you have to understand it's not going to happen overnight. You have to put in the work initially, and then once you have done that, you will receive the fruits of your labor over time. Same thing with with this YouTube channel. Same thing like if you are a blogger or something like that. Your first 10, 20, 50, 100 blog posts may not generate you that much income, but who's to say what's going to happen 2 years down the road, 3 years down the road, or whatever else. You have created a long-term asset, again, that's going to help you to bring in income every single day. So it's the same thing with this YouTube channel. I started posting onto this YouTube channel, I want to say my first video was in 2011, and then I stopped, and then I tried again in 2013, and it kind of has some gaps in between my content or whatever else. But there's still videos on my YouTube channel that I am still getting paid for that I made 2-3 years ago, okay? And that's going to be the same thing for you. Whenever you are creating any type of passive income, trust me, you have to put in the work initially, in the beginning. You're probably not going to see the fruits of your labor in the beginning, but you have to understand, if you just remain consistent and you keep doing the same things over and over again, like I said, from a year from now, 2 years, 3 years from now, you're going to start to see that passive income from a lot of these sources, because you're going to be traveling somewhere, you're going to be asleep, and then you wake up and then you see that you have $1,000 sale in your back office from a blog post or a video that you did 3 years ago, something like that, okay? But you have to put in the work now, all right? So that kind of just leads me into the first way that you can actually create passive income online. Again, guys, it's going to be YouTube. Do YouTube and branding, all right? If you're watching this right now, trust me, guys, you probably may have seen a few of my videos already or whatever. And I swear by YouTube, because YouTube has really, helped me to generate a lot of quality clients, sales, leads, everything for my business because of YouTube. And I'll swear by YouTube because the one thing that you have to understand, especially when it comes to building a business online, is that you not only want to build relationships with people, but you also want to build that rapport with people. And once you have those 2 things in place, it's going to make the sale a lot easier. Because think about if you were walking down the street and you just walked up to somebody and say well, hey, I have this product, give me, $100 for this particular product. They're going to look at you crazy because they're like, okay, who is this stranger coming up to me asking me for money? And hell no, I'm not going to give you $100, right? But think about it. If with your family and your friends that you get along with or whatever else, you have that relationship with them. You have that rapport with them because you get along, you spend a lot of time with each other or whatever else. You know how they talk, you know how they act, all that type of things, right? And think about if you were to ask that same person, to buy a product from you that's $100 or something like that, they may be more apt to buy from you because you have that relationship and that rapport. And you can have that done for you with YouTube, right? So with YouTube, I can create video content like this, and it's always going to be working for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Even when I am asleep, if I'm away on a trip or anything like that, these videos are always working for me all the time, 24 hours out the day. So somebody can just watch this particular video, they see my video and the related videos, and then they watch another video by me, and then another video, and then another video, okay? So by the time they get to the 3rd or 4th video, they have built some kind of relationship with me because they know who I am, they know how I talk, they probably already know what type of businesses that I'm promoting inside of my business or whatever. So they feel comfortable with me. So by the time they actually reach out to me or maybe send an email to me or whatever else, they're already sold on me, right? They already want to work with me. They want to, buy my programs. They want to, purchase high ticket coaching from me or whatever else, because they have already not only built that relationship with me, but built that rapport because they have seen all the previous videos that I have done, prior to this video, right? I think there's maybe 400 to 500 videos on this channel alone. And that's not including other YouTube channels that I have. So that's what I'm saying. This is one of the best ways to create passive income. Get on video, get on YouTube, and start branding yourself. Now, the one thing I do want to tell you when it comes to video marketing, guys, and especially if you've never done videos before, especially with YouTube, Do not get overwhelmed with the process of having to make sure everything is spick and span, every T is crossed, every I is dotted before you get started. There's going to be a lot of things you're going to learn over time. Again, I had this channel, I started posting videos on here since 2011. And still to this day, as I'm about to hit about 12,000 subscribers on this channel, I'm still looking at video content from other YouTubers, trying to figure out ways that I can better my videos, better my video content, the quality, and everything else. So it's always going to be an ongoing process. You're not going to get everything right off the bat. A lot of the great YouTubers that you see out there who have 1 million subscribers or whatever else, if you go back into some of their channels, it looked like their lighting is bad. It looked like they recorded a video in a cave somewhere or whatever. Everybody had to go through that initial stage. So what I'm going to tell you guys is just start making videos and upload them. You can always get better. You can always record a similar topic about a video that you did that it wasn't that great of a quality, but now you have better equipment. Maybe you have better, umbrella lights and a better camera phone or whatever else, right? All those things can be fixed and you can just get better over time. The first thing you just need to do is you just need to start. Trust me, you do about 4 or 5 of these YouTube videos by like day 7 or something like that, it's going to be in your blood. You're going to get used to it, okay? Trust me on this, right? And it's going to be like that for a lot of people, right? Just get out there and just make the videos. Now, the second way that you can actually make passive income online, guys, is through affiliate marketing. Now, this is something that I've been talking heavily on my channel because with affiliate marketing, it helped me to fund my business in the beginning, and it also helped me to, quit my 9-to-5 job and work full-time from home. It's through affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you're basically, in a nutshell, you're promoting other people's products and you're earning a commission. So it could be a variety of things you can do this for. So like I'm in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche. So like digital products or whatever else, I can do a video about it on YouTube. This is typically the way that I kind of do things. I like to do reviews on YouTube about things and then refer people to like maybe affiliate product or something like that I promote. That's one of the ways that I do it. But again, you can just do a review about a digital product or maybe Shopify. Like you may have seen some of my Shopify videos and I talk about like how to get results, how to find vendors. I lead with value, and then I tell people like, if they want to get a free 14-day trial with Shopify, to click on the link below the video. So I'm getting commissions that way by doing that, by providing providing valuable content and then referring people to my affiliate link. Now, a lot of major brands do this as well. So you have like Target, you have Walmart, they do that. Any type of product you can think of, like Vitamix, if you're a makeup girl, Sephora.com. A lot of these places have affiliate programs that you can sign up for free, and then your sole goal is to drive traffic to that affiliate link, okay? So if you're, like I said, if you're a beauty blogger and you love a lot of the products out of Sephora, or the products you love to use are in Sephora, go to Sephora.com, scroll to the bottom of the website, and you're going to see maybe like how to become an affiliate. You're going to see a link like that. It's the same thing with Amazon. You go there, you click on that link, you sign up for your free account. They're going to give you a link, and what you're going to do is you're going to start promoting that link on, like I said, on YouTube. YouTube is by far one of the best ways that you can generate traffic for free and send it to your affiliate link. You can do it on your social media. If you have an email list, your email list, family, friends, whatever. All your sole goal is, once you have your affiliate link, is to drive traffic to that link. And that way, if somebody buys anything from there, you do get a commission. Now, some of these affiliate programs are really awesome as far as like, where they're cookied. Meaning like, so let's say like somebody goes to your, your Amazon or your ClickFunnels link or something like that, and they didn't buy something right off the bat. Well, that person is going to be cookied to your affiliate link for maybe like, anywhere from like 14 days to 30 days or something like that. So if they ever come back to that site and buy something, you will still get a commission from them, even if they didn't buy the first time they came to your affiliate link, okay? So that's going to be really, really popular. And if you go through majority of the YouTube videos that you will find, if you go into the description below, a lot of them are doing some form of affiliate marketing. If they're talking about some camera that they're using for their YouTube videos, more than likely, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an affiliate link to Amazon where you can buy the camera, okay? So trust me on that. So when you're doing a lot of these videos and you're doing some research, go look in the description below the videos and look at what people are doing and the things that they are promoting, okay? That's a big thing that a lot of YouTubers do, is to, with affiliate marketing and using YouTube as a traffic source to send to that affiliate link, okay? And the third way, guys, is to have your own online store. So like for me, like As you guys can see here, I'm kind of like a fangirl. I like, Star Wars, stuff like that. I love Marvel, DC. I love all that type of stuff or whatever. I have a branded store where I do all this, where I sell a lot of the officially licensed stuff. But if you're this type of person, if you're a comic book person or something like that, well, why not create a store where you sell officially licensed products like this? You can do reviews on your YouTube channel about different, Star Wars gear that you receive, Funko toys or whatever else, and then refer people back to your Shopify store and where they can purchase those items. Okay, you have it like that. Or if you're a person who's trying to build your own brand, let's say like you have your own clothing line and you wear your own shirts and your own gear in your YouTube videos, you can tell people like, well, hey, if you want this same shirt that I got on in my video, go to the link below. It's going to take you directly to my Shopify store where you can get our branded gear or something like that. That's another way you can do it. If you are a person who's like law of attraction and you're all about journaling and whatever else, then why not create some print-on-demand journals that you can sell in your own Shopify store that's branded to you, and you can sell those journals there as well, and just tell people in your videos, hey, you want to lead with value, right? So you want to tell people like, hey, this is how I journal every single day, and this is how I manifest $1,000 per day every day inside of my business. So you're going to give that information, and you're going to tell people like, hey, I want to give you access to the same type of journal that I am currently using that's helping me to manifest $1,000 every single day inside of my business. And then you're going to tell people to go click on that link below the video. You're going to go to your online store and you're going to purchase that print-on-demand journal that you have, that you have offered. Okay, so those are three ways that you can create passive income online. And trust me, guys, you have to do the work in the beginning, be consistent, and trust me, it will start to pay off. Okay, so again, that's 1, YouTube videos for your own personal branding. The second one is through affiliate marketing, and 3, have your own online store and use YouTube as a source to drive traffic to all 3 of those, through affiliate marketing, to more of your videos, to your Shopify store, whatever. Do it that way, and trust me, you will create passive income online. And all this stuff is beginner friendly. Okay, it doesn't take a whole lot of prior knowledge for you to get started. You can just go ahead and dive day one, like tomorrow or today, and create at least one of these streams of income, and so that way you can have passive income. And again, remain consistent, do it every single day, and you will start to see those results. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Underneath this video, I'm going to put some links to my to my #1 recommendation to creating online income, as well as my social media links. So go ahead and make sure you follow me on social media, especially Instagram, at TheLindsayMoore.com. Not TheLindsayMoore.com, at TheLindsayMoore. That's how you're going to find me on Instagram. Also, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And to the next one, guys. Peace.